How to deposit on KuCoin, crypto, and Fiat. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with KuCoin and deposit both cryptocurrencies and fiat currency into your KuCoin wallet. So let's get into it. Now to get started with KuCoin, simply click on sign up on the top right over here. Once you click on sign up, you will simply input your email address, and then you will add a suitable password. Then you will simply click on sign up over here. You will verify, and you will simply complete this basic verification over here. So we will just complete this verification like so, and just like that you will get inbox code. So you will get a KuCoin verification email and you will be registered, and you're just going to check your email address for your verification code. So we're just going to wait for that, and you can just scroll down. You can click on view entire message over here to see the actual login code. So once you have done that, you can go on ahead and open up. Once you have verified your email address, you're just going to go on ahead, and we're just going to go and verify this, and then I will get back to you guys in 1 second. Now, once you have logged onto your account on KuCoin, you will be able to access your wallet. So once you have registered your account, you're just going to log in. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see on the top right over here, this is going to be your wallet. So how do you deposit currency or crypto into your wallet? Well, there are two different ways. If you want to deposit fiat, or if you want to deposit tokens, other crypto tokens. So to make a basic deposit, just go into your overview, and then you can click on deposit on the top over here, or just click it over here, and then you have two options. So if you want to deposit fiat or crypto. So let's say we want to deposit fiat. By fiat we usually refer to USDT, BUSD, or any other basic fiat currency. So you can simply click on that over here, and you can choose the currency that you want to deposit like so, and then they will show you the different payment methods available for your country. If they don't show you any payment methods for your location presently, you can choose to use a VPN to get more access to different types of payment methods if they are not available to you at the present time. This will usually enable you to get a couple of more different methods accessible to you for you to be able to purchase crypto tokens or to purchase fiat currency, which you can then in turn use to purchase crypto tokens. So if they are not showing any kind of purchase methods for you or basic payment processing methods for you like PayPal or any other safe, secure way to purchase fiat, then simply use a VPN to change your location to be able to purchase fiat. It only takes a couple of seconds to do this method, and you will be able to easily access their platform to purchase crypto tokens. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for our screen to load up. Now, after that, you might be wondering, okay, I don't want to deposit any kind of fiat. I don't have fiat. I want to directly take my tokens from maybe my MetaMask wallet or my Phantom wallet, whatever wallet that you might be using. And you might want to, transfer your crypto tokens into your KuCoin wallet. Well, for that, it is very simple as well. Just go into the deposit section over here, and instead of deposit fiat, you can click on deposit crypto on the top right over here. And once you click on deposit crypto, you can go on ahead and choose the token that you want to deposit. Then you will choose the network that it is going to be from on the withdrawal network. So let's say on MetaMask, if I am on the BNB Smart Chain, that means I will have to select the BNB Smart Chain from over here or convert to a smart chain that is supported by them. So let's say that I am on the BTC network, and then after that I can just scroll down and you will get a wallet address. So from this wallet address, what you will do is copy this wallet address, and then you will go into your MetaMask, your Phantom, wherever you are storing your crypto tokens. You will simply click on send over here and enter that wallet address. So this wallet address, you're going to paste that over here. And after that, you will simply send this over. You will enter whatever crypto tokens you want to send and send them over to your KuCoin wallet address. So that is how simple and easy it is. Obviously, you need to make sure that both of these networks are the same. So the network that you select over here should be the same network as your wallet account. So even if you're transferring from Binance, Phantom, any Solana wallet, any kind of crypto wallet, make sure that you have the same network, because that is what makes sure that your exchange goes properly and effectively. If you want to transfer Ethereum or a token that you don't have a supported wallet of, so let's say that we select Ethereum from over here, and you can choose the basic Ethereum network. So we have the basic ETH network, and that means Ethereum mainnet. So I will make sure to convert my wallet to Ethereum mainnet, and then I can copy this address from over here, go into my MetaMask wallet over here, click on send, and then I will paste this address like so. And then after that, it will show me all the addresses. So this address has been added. Now I can go on ahead and select any one of my assets and enter the amount of assets that I want to go on ahead and send to my wallet on KuCoin. And then you will just click on next and confirm that you are sending your tokens, and that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with the KuCoin wallet. Not only that, but you also have a bunch of other different things that you can do with KuCoin. You also have buy crypto services, so you can go on ahead and do fast trade and buy with Visa, MasterCard as well on KuCoin. So you can use any of your basic credit or debit cards to purchase using KuCoin. You also have Add Cash, TransferWire, Zelle, and more payment methods that are supported by KuCoin. And you also have things like person-to-person trading and third-party trading as well, which will enable you to get crypto in different manners, even if you don't have, basic credit or debit cards to purchase crypto from. Then you also have all the basic trading features and derivatives features. You have basic futures market and a light version of the futures market. So people that are just starting out, that are beginners in the futures market, they can definitely check out KuCoin to be able to trade futures without having to go into detail about futures. Plus, they also have the basic mining pools and KuCoin earn and lending platforms where you can put your tokens for staking and put them in a liquidity pool to earn interest on the crypto tokens that you already have. So it is an amazing exchange platform that is definitely something you should take a look at, especially if you're doing altcoins, if you're not trading the major, the top movers. If you're not into those, if you're into altcoins, then KuCoin is definitely going to be a good option for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.